Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous crochet braids on this cap. So now I'm just showing you where I want the braid to stop so that it won't cover my face. So I'll be using this thread to put a sign so that I'm going to know that place where the braid is going to stop. The braid I'm going to be crocheting, I'm going to make use of a crochet braid twist. I had the thread on the both side, just showing you, so I won't crochet. And two, you can only use a cap that you can fold over so that where you crochet those braids so that it won't show. So because you are going to fold the cap over, you get what I mean? So now I already turned the cap to the other side and I already kept it on my mannequin. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. Crochet hair. This is a 28 inches crochet hair, 28 inches. I purchased 2 packs, but I make use of one and a little bit. It's not even up to half. Inside a pack, there is 2 packs inside a pack, and on each pack, I have 22 crochet braid inside the pack because it came in 2 packs, as I said earlier. I already start crocheting. When you start crocheting, you must make sure you space your crocheting with an inch. You are going to see what I mean now. Don't crochet close to each other. Can you see I'm showing you? Always put an inch because I'm going to be doing 3 steps because I want it to be full. So if I want to do the second step, I'm going to crochet it under where I did not crochet at the top, so that when you put on the cap, the hair is going to lay very well on your shoulder. It won't lay on each other. You understand what I mean? I try my best in explaining, so just keep on watching if you want to achieve this kind of style. So you have to watch it so that you can understand. By the time you make the hair close to each other, when you crochet on the down part and on top, the braids will lay on each other on your shoulder. It won't be kind of, how will I put it, it won't lay very well. I'm trying to explain. If you don't have a crochet hair, you can actually make one yourself. Yes, you can make one yourself if you don't have a crochet hair. And this hair did not even take me more than 30 minutes to crochet. I don't even think maybe it's up to 30 minutes safe. This is a very fast DIY. I've already finished crocheting the first step. Now I'll raise it up, I'll hold it down with a band. I'm going to start the second step now. Now this is what I was trying to say, that you have to crochet, as in you have to space when crocheting. You can see now that I'm crocheting under the place I didn't crochet at the top, so that when I put on the cap, the hair will lay perfectly fine. Do you grab that? I'm trying my best to explain. So Thank you so much for your support and love. I really appreciate each and every one of you so much. If you've not subscribed, please kindly join my fam by clicking on the subscribe button. I really appreciate that so much, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I really appreciate that so much. That will mean a lot to me. And please do not forget to like. It's very important. Don't watch without not you liking. Please make sure it thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. I want to start crocheting the third layer now. You can actually do 4 layer, 5 layer. It depends on how full you want the head to be. So it depends on how full you want it to be. So you can see that at the top, I'm just crocheting on where I didn't crochet at the down. Do you get that point, or what did I mean? I don't know what to say. So you can see that the head fall in place. You can see that it lay very well to each other. So that was what I'm trying to explain. So now we are done. Let's throw this on. As in, let's throw this cap on. This is what I'm going to be putting on to go and pick my daughter in school now. This is a very fast and ready to go. So I just added some fancy gold clip to add some spice, to add some ginger. So that is all for the video. I'm really feeling this cap. If you are feeling this cap with me, just raise your hands up. So this is the back. I'm showing you guys how the back look like. Just wait, watch to the end. I'm still going to show you how the length look like. Oh yeah, give them. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share with your loved one. See you in my next video. And if you try this out, kindly let me know. Send me a picture on Instagram. Bye, I love you.